Posterior Tibialis Tendinopathy, a common one we see in our endurance running community, especially as more experienced and older runners. When you're younger, you tend to have shin splints, or if you're new, you tend to have a little bit more plantar fasciitis, but the trick with the posterior tib is it's involved in both of those and can mimic those pains quite often. So if you're a little bit more experienced, you've been up in the mileage, and you're starting to get this ache of pain behind and underneath the inside of the ankle, you're likely dealing with posterior tibial tendinopathy. It's going to take some time, it's going to take some load. Remember that tendons need load, but I've got some exercises to share with you today to put into your warm-up and your strength program so you can get over this and prevent it in the future.